Hey Lovelies, Teen here. So I'm finally back with a new intro. I actually miss filming and doing vlogs for you guys. So for today's video, I'll be filming a little chit chat or catching up, wherein I'll be explaining why I haven't been uploading a vlog in a while, and I'll do that while I'm getting ready for today. So today will be a get ready with me video as well. So of course we're gonna start with skincare. I just finished cleansing my face, and now I'm gonna be using this toner from I'm From. It's the rice toner. So you have to shake this before using it. It's actually their best seller for the year. So I was curious about trying it, and it was really great. It was really great for my dry skin. I'll just use my hands. Like, you guys can see the glow just from it. And I'm gonna be using another toner. It's this Klairs Supple Preparation Unscented Toner. So as you guys know, I have really sensitive skin, so I got the unscented version of this one. And it's this has this slightly thick texture. But at the same time also very hydrating on the skin. It has this thicker texture, but it's still very lightweight and sinks really well onto the skin after. And then I will be using this by Wishtrend Propolis Ampoule. So this one also really helps with giving an instant glow on your skin. So my skin isn't actually in its best condition right now because I tried using an active last night, and I haven't tried using an active since forever, so I'll probably use it less frequently this week. But you know, I'd like to slightly incorporate it again onto my skincare so that my skin will get used to it. And then for moisturizer, I'll be using this one from PURITO. It's the Oat-In Calming Gel Cream. So this one is actually one of their new releases for the past year, and it reminds me so much of Crave Beauty's Oh So Simple cream. But looking at the ingredient list, I think this is also really great. I'm just gonna put this to seal all of that together. So now for the chit chat. I actually checked my channel before I filmed today, so I've seen that the latest vlog I uploaded was actually around 3 months ago. It was the natural makeup look video, and the reason I haven't uploaded vlogs as much lately is because most of you may not know this, but I'm also a full-time student apart from creating content here on YouTube and on Instagram. So I'm actually entering my masteral year this coming Sem. And I actually just took the comprehensive exam last month. It's like an exam to see if you can qualify for the masteral. And you know, sometimes the academic workload can be too heavy. That's why it became more difficult to find time to film and for me to conceptualize my upcoming vlogs. I'm just gonna use this lip balm for now to prep my lips. It's from McQueen, and the packaging reminds me so much of the Dior lip glow. Okay, so cause before, what I actually used to do is that I would look for a free day in my sched, and I will try to film like 3 to 4 vlogs in a day. And if I still have time, I'll sometimes create more reels for Instagram. So the vlog I'll be posting after this vlog is actually from the same batch from 3 months ago. I think it's the university makeup look, or makeup look you could use for if you're going to uni. Of course, I will not be skipping sunscreen, so I'll be using this one from RAAR, and it's their Zero Sun Clean Fresh SPF. And just use around 1/4 of a teaspoon and just added it all over my face. As I was saying earlier, I would usually film like 3 to 4 vlogs a day, and that depends on the free time on my sched. So that will usually fall on a weekend when I'm supposed to actually be resting, because on weekdays I do attend my classes. And then I will also need time to edit and schedule those vlogs to be posted once a week for that month. So I used to have a schedule wherein I uploaded once a week every Friday, and then I tried uploading more consistently. So I did try to upload twice a week or so. And but then it took, and I'm gonna use this BB cream from MISSHA. It's one of my favorites. And I'll be using this cushion puff from MISSHA to blend it. So as I was saying, then it took a toll not just on my mental health but on my physical health as well. I'll add 1 pump of that. So I actually got sick due to stress and over fatigue twice, and that's when I had to sort of take a step back and prioritize my health more. As much as I would want to stay as productive as I could be, working harder and being passionate about what I love to do, because I enjoy what I'm doing vlogs for you guys. I think it's also important to know when you need to take a step back and take care of yourself more. So that's pretty much why I had to take a break from posting, but I wasn't really totally inactive because I've been posting YouTube shorts from time to time too, as well as Instagram posts. But now I'm back and I'm better than ever. So I also saw how you guys showed so much love on the ramen video. Thank you so much for that, guys. And as of yesterday, we reached a new mark on my channel. We reached 1,000 subscribers or more. So thank you so much, guys, for that. Thank you so much for showing so much love for my channel. And with regards to the ramen video, it was the most viewed actually. So I still saw how the views were really increasing even while I was on a break for that video. They actually sent me 2 products from one of their new releases just recently, so when I receive it, I'll probably be filming a vlog on it too, so stay tuned for that. And I'm actually excited because I have some ideas planned for the upcoming vlogs and some things planned for my upcoming birthday month. So I'm thinking of partnering with one of my absolute favorite brands, and I would really love to host a giveaway for you guys, so stay tuned for that as well. I still have to contact them today actually. I'll just use the Saem Cover Perfection Pot Concealer to conceal my under eyes. So when you use your cushion puff or your beauty blender, use the edge here for areas when you're concealing, because it will be more precise when blending it. Okay. So I'll be doing contour as well. I'll be using this Too Cool for School or Class By Rodin, and use the two, blend the two dark shades towards the end, and use that here on my cheekbones. And on my jawline as well. Now for blush, I'll be using this one from the Saem. It's this blusher in the shade Baby Coral. Just one of my favorites to use too these days, so I'll use it for blush. And then for eyeshadow, I'll be using this palette from NEOGEN. It has this really great daily neutral brown shades you'll often use. So I'll start with the white color, and then proceed with the brownish shades. And then, to add a little more, I'll be using this glittery shade and place it on the center. For my eyebrows, I don't really do much. I just use this brown mascara for my daily looks. So not too much on the skin, but more on the hair. And then to set my base makeup, I'll be using this Shiseido powder and the powder brush. Actually, it comes with a puff, but I don't usually use that. I just use a powder brush to set everything, especially the base makeup. So doing this prevents it to stain on your clothes, because sometimes when you use liquid makeup like liquid foundation, it does stain on your clothes, so we don't want that. Especially I'm wearing white today, or any clothes for that matter. And you just have to do mascara, highlight, and then my lip makeup. So I'll be curling my lashes using this lash curler from MISSHA. So for mascara, I think this has been my absolute favorite. So I tried the long and curl, volume and curl from Kiss Me Heroine Make, and this one, the micro mascara advanced film, actually seems to be my favorite because it's really easy to use. And the wand used for this, I think the bristles are more fine and it gets to reach harder to reach areas from other mascaras. And for my daily look, I'll just usually use one coat. My bottom lashes as well. And then I will use another product from Heroine Make. It's this waterproof smooth liquid eyeliner in black. It's very fine and natural looking as well. Plus it's waterproof, so I think that's what I love about it. I always place that as close to my lash line as possible. So now I just add a little one towards the end, and then I'll do highlighter next. So I'll be using this one from CLIO. It's their Prism Air highlighter. And place it on spots I will usually highlight, like here. And for lip makeup, I'll be using this lipstick from MAC. It's in the shade Velvet Teddy. And blend it with this lip brush. And finally, to set all of it together, I'll be using a face mist. This one is from SIORIS. Smooth. It's a falling into the rose variant. So I also have to shake it before using, and then just spray it. So I usually use like 7 sprays of that. And yeah. So this has been our final look for the day. So as I mentioned earlier, like I've thought of a phrase I will say towards the end of the vlog. So it's sort of my mantra in life, and I want you guys to be reminded of it every time you guys watch my vlog. So it's remember to always choose love and kindness. So there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys, my lovelies, on my next vlog. Bye!